Dear, let me show you how I do my go-to makeup routine, especially if I'm rushing. All the products here is currently what I use and my favorite as of the moment. So this one never gonna fail me. Nakapag skin prep and prime na ako, but I always make sure to respray my Dalba First Spray Serum, which is paubos na. Hello po. And I go straight with my color corrector. This is from NARS in shade medium. This is what it looks like once it's blended. Now let's go to the concealer. Cover the 5 o'clock shadow. I always use my favorite Huda Beauty concealer in the shade Caramel Corn. This is really creamy and full coverage, so it's perfect if you want to cover anything. Using my Dalla brush to blend this out. Now that we look like a perfect blank canvas, now let's go straight to the base. I love me using my Easy Active Skin Sticks. I use 2 shades. I have here Sienna and Brûlée for the dimension. It's the shade Sienna sa gitna ng face ko for the highlights effect. This is really perfect if you don't like to wear foundation but you want to even out your skin, dear. In the shade Brûlée, I just put this in my outer perimeter of my face para magkaroon ng dimension. I just like using this especially on this area para matakpan yung mga bigo-bigot. And before I blend, I'm gonna spray my Dalba again. Kasi it will help you to blend your skin tint or your foundation really easy. I always don't forget mag-bronzer mga dear, so I always use this Shiglam in the shade Warm Honey. Kasi if you know me, I like to look myself as very morena girl. For the blush, this is my current pick lately. This is the Easy Cream Blush in the shade Pearl. Like, this is like a perfect everyday blush. Like, if you don't want like a putok-putok moment, this is like perfect, you know what I mean? Put a little amount of my brightening concealer lang. This is from Sunny's in the shade Almond. This is the only amount of concealer I use. Like, I don't know, di ko alam, I don't like heavy concealered eye moment, especially kapag everyday. Like, boogs, sobrang fresh. To set my face, I'm gonna use a loose powder. This is from Lovely Cosmetics in Translucent. Ang ganda nito, oh my god. Something I can compare to Laura Mercier. Like, to set everything, I'm gonna use this one size pressed powder in the shade Medium 5. And then to reinforce the blush, I love using this MAC Cosmetics blush in the shade Melba. Then recurling my lashes. Lip liner, Makeup Forever in the shade Whatever Walnut. Tint, this is the Dior lip tint in the shade 771. This is like a perfect MLBB kapag morena ka. Wow! And setting my face using my Itsy Bake setting spray. This is the makeup look all complete. Wait, let me change. Okay, now this is the final look all complete. Diba? Sobrang banayad kahit nagmamadali. Cheka. Okay, now let me know what you think. Yun lang. Bye! Mwah!